Triple points for Thorne. You checked your battery? Thanks, Corey. Both of them said impact. See what happens. All right. You guys ready? You will go number 2.
Oh, traction rolling. Oh no, start up. Wow. He's learning. He does now. He definitely does now.
Alright, that's how my race wins. You gotta give up.
That's it. It's still early. Let's go.
Yeah, let's bring the best out there.
SBB! SBB! Oh, Andrew, what are you doing? Get off of the pipe. How much you touch up? Get off the pipe. I thought that was you. Oh, come on now. Catch up a Bob. As fast as you can. Keep charging. Keep charging. I gotta quit hitting light.
Alright, Bob's going around. Move sorry if you're in front, Bob. Nice through.
We're in lap traffic. We made! This is gonna be fun. Oh no! Oh, hey, thank you! Come on, go. Bob got away from us, man. Let's go.
And I can say things like, we're racing.
Nice Hudson. Nice Hudson. Oh, come on now. Come on now. Just go. Go. It don't matter. We got to take Bob. Let's go. Somebody take out Bob.
Yeah, I didn't sign up. Yeah.
Oh, no, he's on us now.
I need to sign up for.
Oh, Jeff's coming. Yeah, we got to quit fooling around. Yes, he is.
Dang it.
Oh, what are we running for right now? Are we 2 and 3?
Yeah.
Love it. Now we're 3 and 2. Or something.
Just right there with him.
I don't know who that was, but I paid him off, so let's go. Where's Bob at?
He was about to lap me at one point.
Fixing to lap us?
Yep. You're welcome, Andrew.
Whoever's close to Bob, I got 2 free raise red trees. Get him! Start going wide on the freaking double.
Yeah.
Ooh, Nike. Sorry. Don't know who that was. Sorry. I could not even see your card. I could not even see the card.
40 seconds left. 40 seconds left.
Oh, I'm catching with Bob. Are you? Yeah. Is he that close to us?
Ah.
Oh, never mind. I'm out of it. I'm definitely out of it.
Bobby, Dipper, James,
Oh, I'm catching with Bob.
Oh, double.
Come on, Bob. I'm coming for you, Bob. Oh! Hey! think I might have ended up down into the
Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's swooping on the right. You're about to shoot him. Wait a minute. Close the door. That's what there with that right there. Andrew's the one off. He's got a hurt foot. Just trying to stay in the race. Vision's a pass.
Really, I got caught.
Oh, good. Drag race. Hit the drag race button. Hit the drag race button again. Oh, Jeff's gonna take it.
Oh my God.